Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because we have a giveaway. Now these polishes you see in the screen, I did purchase these on my own because like I said, I really do love their polishes and I wanted to get more of their colors. Only got these colors because a lot of them were sold out, so that means everybody else liked them too. So make sure y'all get y'all hands on them as quick as possible. I do have a discount code which I will put across the screen as well in the description box, and y'all need to act fast, like fast because these polishes are going and I don't want y'all to miss one, especially these colors that I'm swatching here now. They are all beautiful, and actually two of them I will be showing in the video how I fleet them. Now as far as the giveaway starts today, so as you're watching the video, this giveaway is going on. It is August 10th and we are picking one lucky winner to win 5 of Nail Addict's gel polishes. Yep, 5. That's like $100 worth of gel polishes. So if you want to win, make sure you check the description box down below, follow all the rules, and you are good to go. One of them is to subscribe to my channel. Then you're going to follow them on Facebook and their social media. Follow my nail page social media, which also will be down in the description box below. Just all the links and information will be down there. Just make sure you guys check that. And yes, best of luck to everybody. I hope you guys win. You can enter as many times as you want. And again, it starts today, August 6th, and ends August 10th. So for today's video, I am going to be using the color White Addict and Sea Swing and Sun. Oh my gosh, that color is so pretty and so versatile. It reminds me of like certain acrylic polishes. I mean, not acrylic polish, acrylic powders that they use to get that nude look. I'm telling you guys, if you want any color from their website, this is a color everybody needs to get. Also here, I'm not going to build this up and do 2 layers. I wanted to do just 1 layer to show you guys how you can use these polishes without doing 2 layers, to use the sheer side of the polish versus the more intense side and still get very pretty nails from it. As you can see, it does still have some coverage to it and you can still see through it a little bit, but it works perfectly for the type of design that I'm going for today, and you guys will see that in just a moment. And you can see that it just shines so pretty. This is only 1 layer, you guys. I'm gonna cure it and show you, and it did not change. It is just so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is like my new favorite color. So if you guys see it a lot more in other videos, that is why. But so going on with the design, I'm going to spray a piece of paper towel with some alcohol just to remove the tacky layer or any color deposit that it might have still left on there that wasn't fully cured. And as you can see, nothing came off as far as color wise, but I did remove that tack so I can go ahead and start to design these nails. So I got these stickers off of Amazon. I will link that down below as well. It is just a collection of like angel hearts, cupid type of water decals, and that is what I'm going to show you guys today, how to use water decals. Now it is different than stickers, and there's some things you must know so you don't go crazy and mess up your nails trying to get these decals on your nails. They're very delicate and you do have to take your time, so just watch the video and I got you. I am going to start off with using White Addict from the Nail Addict to do the clouds. I'm not going to do many clouds on my nail because I'm going to add more clouds after I add the water decal. I'm doing this because I want to create some dimension in the design that I'm doing. So I'm putting the clouds down using a stippling tool, and it don't have to be perfect. Actually, the more non-perfect it looks, the better it's going to look, because it's going to look more realistic. So you want to have the little bitty gaps and texture and stuff to the clouds to help create that dimension 3D effect that we're going for. A tip to make it look more realistic is to use one end to deposit the color and get the base shape of your cloud, then flip it over to the side that has no polish on it and feather it out. That way you can get that gradient effect and without adding more polish and to your nail. So just flip it over, fan it out a little bit, create those little texture marks, and then you're good to go. So after the nails have cured, we're going to go on to the decals, in which you want to carefully cut out each one that you want to use. Don't cut it out perfectly because you need that little bit of extra negative space to hold on to so you can slide the decal off without trying to rip it. I'm just cutting out all the ones I think I want to use. Some I may use, some I may not. And then I'll show you guys how you can apply them. So once you cut it out, you want to take that film off before you dip it in your water. Don't dip it with that plastic film still over it. You just want to get a shallow little dish, pour some water in it, not that much, and take a pair of tweezers, grab that like negative space that you have to help hold on to, dip it for like 5-10 seconds, drain off the excess, and then use another pair of tweezers or your hand. I suggest you use tweezers because they're very delicate, and slowly pull the decal off. I'm telling you, if you pull too fast, the wind and the weight from it being wet will cause it to curl and fold up on itself, and after that it's pretty much done. You won't be able to save it because it'll start to dry, stick to each other, and or start ripping apart, and you will lose your design. So be very careful with this step even when you're applying it to your nail, because it still will have a tendency to want to fold back or curl up on you. Just gently place it down. Use your finger or the other end of your tweezer to help flatten out the decal, and you are good to go. So once you have all your decals on where you want them to be, go back in with that white polish and create clouds on top of the decals. Don't fully cover them, but cover like little parts, maybe like the leg, an arm, a little bit of the head, to make it seem like these angels are like literally coming through the clouds. They're in the sky, because they don't have just clouds in the background and an angel in front of it. You want to create that 3D effect, make it more realistic and natural. Now you can stop here and add your top coat, in which I'm using the top coat from Nail Addict. It is bomb, but I'm using this top coat to create a tacky layer to add some gold foil. Something about angel just is very angelic, and I think of gold. I don't know, I just think of gold. So I'm taking some gold foil, ripping it up in little bitty pieces and placing them all throughout the clouds, a little bit on the angels. Same how you did the cloud design, just integrate it into that design to make it look more realistic instead of just one dimension. You can add top coat again to seal everything in. If not, you are done. This is what it looked like. I'm going to go ahead and finish the other nails off camera, and then I will see you guys at the end. So that's how the nails look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And do not forget to enter the giveaway, you guys. All the details will be listed down below. I want you guys to win, and best of luck to everybody.